Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty, and I'm back again another video. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. The process of what I'm doing right now is I call it the bandit look. That is the bold cap method I am doing. As you can see, I first glued my hair, then and then I put my foundation on my head, and I put some more got to be because I want it to be secured. You know what I mean? I'm just cutting off all the excess cap area, and now I'm gonna then start the gluing process. I'm gonna first fit the wig on my head first, as you can see. Yep, as you can see. And you're gonna see where I wanted the parting to be, which is center. And I'm just gonna mark out the areas where I want the wig to lay. I'm kind of weigh the ear tabs, as you should. And then I'm going to tweeze the hair to the likeness of what I want. I want it to be a good, what's that word? A good hairline. So as I'm gluing the wig cap down. This wig was sent to me by Allove hair, and I put their link in the description bar below just so you can get the information about this wig. This wig was a frontal and it came pre-plucked, but I'm just gonna pluck it again. So now that section is glued, I'm now gonna part my hair, and I'm kind of thinking, what parting do I want? Do I want a zigzag parting or do I want a center parting? I don't know, it'll probably come to me when I'm doing the rest of this look. But as you can see, I'm just trying to get it into a really straight center. And then I'm gonna after that do the rest of the processing and probably change up the look. I don't know what look I'm trying to go for today, but who knows, just watch the rest of the video and you will see. This hair was in the texture loose wave, I believe, and I believe they sent me 24 inches or 20 inches, or I think 22, who knows. I'll probably clarify that in the link description bar below, but yeah. So today I'm gonna try zigzag method. I'm gonna try and do it to see how it works out. Never done it before. I don't know if I want to do big zigzag or smaller one. Just continue to watch the rest of this video and you'll see the finished look. But as you can see, I am trying to get that sharp zigzag pattern going. But yeah, just stay tuned and hopefully it will turn out the way I want it, the way I envisioned it to turn out. So guys, I ended up going a little bit smaller, but yeah, and now I'm just taking some hair out to see where I want them to lay, and I'm then gonna start the braiding process. As you can see, I don't know if I want the braid to be all the way down there or somewhere else, but I'll figure that out later on in the video. So guys, I ended up going for like the twist, the flat twist instead of the two braids. But I hope you guys like this, that this is how it looks. If you want to see how I do my makeup, that's going to be my next video. I'm going to go to the best makeup artist in Portsmouth. But yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.